What's up, guys? RETROCENGO here. This board is my favorite board for a Windows 98 PC build. This case is my new favorite case. Now, for years I have been using this one as my test rig. As you can see, it's a gigabyte motherboard, IDE, floppy, ATX, 2 RAM slots, and this gigabyte motherboard can work with the Intel Pentium 3 Tualatin processor. As I remember, this is a 1100 MHz Tualatin. It runs cold. It's such a perfect processor for Windows 98. Maybe also Windows XP, but I mean, 95, 98, I love this build. Also, this one has got the Sound Blaster Live, the model SB100. Actually, this one has got some drivers so you can enjoy general MIDI emulation in MS-DOS games. And as you all know, Windows 95, Windows 98 can boot up in MS-DOS mode, so this board will have later DOS games and up to Windows 98 games. So let's build everything in this beautiful case and make a dream system. The model number of this board is GA6IEML revision 1.1, and I love it again because it supports the Tualatin processor. We have 256 megabytes of RAM, PC133. Because of Windows 98 installation, I'm gonna max it out with 512 megabyte of 133, I hope, yeah, PC133 speed of memory. As I remember, 512 megabyte is the maximum amount for Windows 98 installation. So if your Windows 98 PC gives you a blue screen of death when you're installing Windows 98, check out the amount of RAM that you have got. And again, for MS-DOS, it's just crazy amount, but I play later MS-DOS games. For the hard disk solution, I could insert a big, old, noisy, gonna break down anytime hard disk. I'm not gonna do that. We're gonna go with a compact flash solution. Now first, I thought I would insert one of these at the back of the computer so I could easily, just pull it out and put in some new files. But I actually have these for my Amiga usage. My Amiga 4000 has one of these inside. It's so neat, it's so nice, and it has got beautiful LED lights, and this is the IDE one, and you give it some power up here, and then just plug this one in here. Right. The reason I'm gonna do this is actually because I don't want to have long cable, because I'm gonna have this open and I'm gonna use this as a test rig, so this gives a bit better cable management. Back in those retro days, cable management was not something we thought about, but today it's really, whoa, cables. So yeah, here, and the compact flash card goes in here. Isn't it neat? I like it. Now, I really like this case because of those 3D effects that it has got here at the front. Now, usually I would just put two of these at front, but usually they're just flat plastic. But as you can see, this is bent. There we go. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this on slave. They have jumpers, these old drives. Put this one on slave and have it in here. My lovely CD burner from Sony, 161040. And on top of that, It's on master, this beautiful drive from January 1999. It's an awesome looking DVD-ROM. Now, why do I like it? I like it because of headset volume and so on, but look at this DVD. It has got this flasher, busy flasher, CD flasher. All this reminds me of stuff from the 80s, and I just love stuff like that. Down here, we're not done, because of course we could just install a floppy drive. But I'm not done with a floppy drive, because I want this one to have 2 floppy drives. Now you're thinking, why? Are you ever going to copy anything? No, I'm not. But does it look awesome? Well, let's install 2 of these and see. Find out together, right? Oh, there we go. And this one on top. Look at this, guys. This is retro. This is awesome. Yeah, this is how I'm gonna install everything. Isn't it great? Well, it's yeah, that was the warning. It's a very noisy CPU fan. I have to order a new one of those. But yeah, Tualatin 1.133 gigahertz. Super nice. Look at the IDE to CF card. It has got a red LED, a green, yellow, new BIOS battery, clean case. We have got onboard audio, onboard video, but I think I will upgrade it a bit. Right now it has just formatted the 8 GB compact flash card, and we are installing Windows 98, and it works so smooth. It didn't boot up with this one. I'm gonna check later if it works, but on my slave disk on this Sony DVD burner, it booted all fine. And does it irritate me that this drive is more wide than this? No, because it's, I don't know, 20 years old, so it is what it is. Let's install everything and enjoy it in a bit. Connect to the web, interweb. So the installation went perfect. No blue screen of this, nothing. It works amazing. Look at the PSU, man. Looks like brand new. Now the audio card, we have onboard audio, we have onboard video, but we're gonna upgrade it, guys. This is gonna be my dream build. So Tualatin processor, great. Audio is gonna be this beauty. The Sound Blaster Live, the SP100. I love this one, but the graphic card is gonna be ding ding. Look at this. The 3D FX. We're gonna install a Voodoo card and enjoy some games. Alright guys, I just want to take a second to say that if you do anything retro from MS-DOS to Windows 98, I really recommend you to go in and check out philscomputerlab.com. He has got all the drivers you can dream about for chipset, sound card, graphic card, and so on. So Voodoo 3 cards, as you can see the date here, I'm just getting the newest file and I'm gonna install everything on my retro PC. So Phil's Computer Lab, thank you buddy, love your videos and love your page. Guys, I have a lot of CDs that I have to go through. Most of them has got a menu system like this when I put it in, and it just boots up. I mean, some of the CDs are for MS-DOS. As you can see, this is definitely MS-DOS, and I'm just, you know, oh, Duke Nukem. And Doctor Who, Dragons were Elvira. Out the beholder. Install that? Yes, sir. And that's about it. Just have to go through some of these CDs. Another donation from a subscriber of mine. It's such a nice guy, and I'm loving it. There's Jill of the Jungle, nice. KGB, Larry, Lemmings, Nickaboom, Monkey Island. We just installed I have to Beholder 2. Start. There we go. Oh, it's so cool, man. Yeah, works fine. Nice. We have audio. We have Direct 3D. We have Open Glide. Oh, that's nice. Voodoo 3 AGP with built-in 16 megabytes of RAM. So let's just check out Doom. Just installed it. We have audio. Let's see how well it supports MS-DOS games. Oh yes! So the Sound Blaster Live SP100, great for Windows 98, 95 and MS-DOS. I love it. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this one. This is my current gonna be everyday use dream MS-DOS - Windows 98 PC. Tualatin 1.1 GHz, 512 megabyte RAM, 8 GB compact flash card, Voodoo 3 16 megabyte graphic card, and Sound Blaster Live. I mean, whatever I throw at it, it will just eat it. I'm gonna install Quake, I'm gonna install Unreal, and I'm gonna enjoy Diablo 2 with EAX audio support, A3D I think it was called. I'm gonna enjoy it with these big speakers over here. Oh, I'm really looking forward to it. Just wanted to share this video with you guys. One thing that irritates me is, I don't know if it's because of the IDE to CF adapter, but the hard disk LED is on always. But other than that, I truly hope that you enjoyed this one. Let me hear about your everyday MS-DOS - Windows 98 build. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a great day out there. RETROCENGO out.